Hello traders, thank you very much for joining me, because you are joining me at a point in which we have some very interesting charts setting up here. So I want to run through a couple of things that I'm seeing here and give you a potential heads up in what could be a very good move for the likes of you and I. So what I've got here is the Dow on the weekly chart, and you can see we have had 4 weeks higher closes, but we've now gone to a new high and then closed lower as a marginal lower close. So that to me is a nice sell signal, and this is typically the time of year when you see some profit taking and potential downward pressure anyway. So that all ties in with that. I mean, I could go into a lot of analysis on a different range of charts, but I'm going to keep this very simple for you and do a very nice, produce a short video to give you an idea of what I'm looking at. So to help us on our way, we've got some good data coming out on Monday, core durable goods. Now that is looking to be coming from a minus number last month into a positive number this month, so that's great, because like I said, I don't want to get blindly short this. What I do want to do is hopefully allow this market to creep up back in somewhere near last week's highs, and then allow me to get short with a much lower risk, a smaller stop. So if I now drill down to the daily chart, you can see that we had a big push up on Monday, and ever since we have been seeing some little shunts down. So I've got a high of 524 thereabouts, and then they're drifting lower into this week. So if I then drill down to another time frame, a 60-minute chart, I personally think the 60-minute charts are the best charts out there. So I'm not going to go into what exactly I've got on here, because that's all down to Scalper School. If you want to know more, then drop me a line. But just on a basic level, I would like to see a higher, this Dow creep up into these resistance levels and then get short at those levels and potentially hold for a couple of days or more, who knows, but that's what I'll be looking at in the trading room. It's just something for you to watch out for as well. So the sort of number I would look for is something between 450 and just above the 500 mark. Okay, so let's hope that we get some selling in some buying the first part of the week to drift this up, and then to allow me to get short in a higher number. Alright, now later in the week we have US consumer confidence, and we have US GDP, quarter GDP levels on Thursday. It's not a particularly great week for data, but these are the main data points: core durable goods on Monday and US GDP on Thursday. Otherwise, there's not a lot around, apart from some central banks speaking, etc., at different parts of the week. Okay, so before you go, I just want to show you something that's coming up. Next Saturday, we have an intensive one-day program in central Manchester. And so if you want to join us for that, then come on to the website and drop down to the trading courses down to Scalper School and click on that and have a look at what we're doing here. Scalper School is basically looking for a minimum 25 pips per session, and when the trading room is open 3 mornings a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The last time I ran Scalper School, the following week we did 35 pips on each trading session. So yeah, it's a nice steady income for looking at just a short period of the day. And also, the thing to note here is, according to a totally independent study that I had absolutely nothing to do with, my system, the Scalper School Trade the Easy Way system, is deemed to be 77% successful, with 8% no trades and 13% stop outs. So if you're looking for a high probability, low risk trade and system, this could be the one for you, and involves trading from 7:50 a.m. UK time until 9:30, 10 o'clock Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All right. So what I've done here on this page, you will see some Q&As, typical Q&A. What's the aim? Who is it best suited for? What do we trade? What do you get from Scalper School in terms of the follow through and the follow up, support, and so on. And here's the actual structure. Have a look at that. And in the meantime, take a look at the Dow on those higher levels, and let's see if we can get some more pips out of this market. Thank you for listening, and by all means email me if you would like more information, or use this icon here to drop me a line. Alright, bye for now, and see you at the next update.